Energetic music starts and fades slightly as a vibrant graphic displaying the Remitly logo appears. Sending love and support to your family and friends across borders just got incredibly easy. Today, we're diving into exactly how to use Remitly to send money internationally, worrying-free. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to Remitly.com or download their user-friendly app. You'll need to create an account. This involves providing your email address, creating a secure password, and then entering some basic personal information like your name and address. It's a quick and secure process. Once your account is ready, it's time to select who you're sending money to. Click on Why Euro Send Money and then choose Why Euro Add a New Recipient. You'll need their full name, their country, and their bank account information or mobile money details, depending on their location. You'll also enter the amount you wish to send. Now for payment. Remitly offers flexible options. You can link your bank account for a lower fee or use a debit or credit card for speed. Select the payment method that works best for you. You'll see the exchange rate and any fees up front, so there are no surprises. Remitly understands that everyone's needs are different, so they offer various delivery options. Your recipient can receive the money directly in their bank account through mobile money, or even as cash pickup at a convenient location. Choose the option that ensures your money arrives safely and exactly how they need it. Finally, review all the details on the confirmation screen. Why Euro the amount, recipient, and delivery method Why Euro and then click to send. You'll receive notifications as your money makes its journey. And that's it. You've successfully sent money with Remitly, connecting with your loved ones across the globe with competitive rates and low fees. Start sending your support today. Fun, upbeat outro music begins and the Remitly logo reappears.